Good morning and welcome to another vlog. It's currently Saturday morning. It's just almost 9 o'clock and I've actually been up for a couple of hours just, doing the chores of the morning. I thought I would just vlog the weekend. I hope that you enjoy this vlog. Okay, well it's actually about an hour later and I've finished all the chores, so we're just doing the laundry and all of that stuff and making breakfast. So I've got kind of like a brunch type thing with some sausages, some tots, some toast and some scrambled eggs. So it's definitely going to set me up for the day and negate the need to have any lunch. We're actually having fajitas for dinner tonight and I've like prepped all the stuff for that. So that will be nice and easy for later and get tucked into my breakfast and probably watch an episode of The Simpsons. Well, obviously a bit more time has passed. I have put some makeup on. You will see I use my little e.l.f. mini Mint Bee palette. Really do rate these e.l.f. palettes. They are outstanding and very affordable. I am hopefully going to film like a little Q&A type thing for my video coming out tomorrow. I don't want to say I've been lazy with videos. I've just been so busy and it's just sometimes so hard to find the time to kind of fit everything in. I'm going away next weekend, so I've got the task kind of this weekend to film this little vlog and then film this other little video so I don't get behind. I'm going to film my weekend away next weekend. We're just going to Brisbane. It's nothing too wild or exciting. We have booked a holiday for July as well, which I will tell you about a bit later. But yeah, I'm going to do that like video inception type thing where I now go and film another video looking obviously exactly like this. Okay, so I have filmed my other video, which I have actually edited because it was very easy to edit and is currently exporting. I'm just about to go out to Coles to just pick up a few bits and bobs that I need, and also on special offer, so I'll probably just show you those when I get home. It's very glorious and sunny. I think it's like 22 degrees, so not too bad for almost winter. And yeah, it's really nice out in the sun. So excited to have a little walk up to Coles and get a little bit of shopping. Well, I'm now back from Coles. It is way warmer out there than I anticipated. I wore like my long leggings and a bit hot now. Put the fan on. I just picked up a couple of bits I thought I would just show you. So the things I actually needed to get was some more Listerine mouthwash and also some more Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. These are both half price at $7 and I only ever buy them when they are half price. For Tim, I picked up some Up and Go protein iced coffee flavour. He likes to have these after he goes for a run. And then I just picked up a couple of little treats for myself for now. So the first thing I picked up was cherry ripe. It was half price at $1, so couldn't not. And then I also picked up this banana split milkshake. A couple of weeks ago I had the caramel one of this and it was delish. So I thought I would just try some. I'm hoping it's just gonna taste like banana and like vanilla. It does say here sweet banana and vanilla ice cream undertones with wafer and peanut flavour. So yeah, I love a banana milkshake, and that just sounded really interesting. So now that I'm back, I am gonna get my like other video that I filmed uploading. I'm gonna have a little look at some lesson planning I need to do for next week. Well, it's very obviously now the next day, and I vlogged nothing yesterday afternoon after I got back from Coles, other than a couple of clips from dinner. I did those like fajita Old El Paso pocket things, which were really good. Just added like some cheese and some chipotle aioli sauce stuff, but yeah, they were super good. And then we just kind of watched some TV and then went to sleep. It is now Sunday morning. We're about to leave in the next 10 minutes or so to get the bus to Kiwana. We need to do a little bit of shopping and probably going to get KFC for lunch because they've got something new on the menu that we want to try. And then yeah, we'll just come back and I'll carry on with my lesson planning. I think I mentioned briefly yesterday I was planning some lessons because I'm currently on placement, and I've got 6 lessons to plan for like this week, and then it'll be like 9 a week for the last 3. So very busy. We're back from shopping, obviously, and had KFC for our lunch, and we've been back now probably like 45 minutes or so. I've just been sorting out this like cupboard here, and I've got loads of like cardboard and stuff to take out to the recycling, which is probably so boring. First of all, the KFC thing we had was like the round ball things are like potato mashies. Apparently it's the first time they've been back for like 20 years or something ridiculous. I don't know, I'd never heard of them. But they're basically like a ball of mashed potato with like a seasoned outside bit on them. They were really good. Everything else was really good. Only bought one thing from shopping aside from like dinner bits and bits for lunch for the week, but I did buy this jumper from Big W. It was $30. Oh, it looks like this. I really liked the different coloured like speckly effect going on. And then like probably the best food thing that we bought that I thought I would show you is these iced finger buns. They are actually ginormous. These are, yeah, I'm guessing it's like strawberry icing. If not, it's just pink, and then it's got like desiccated coconut on the top. So we're gonna have one of those later, probably like with a coffee or something. Still feeling pretty full from my KFC I had earlier. Just gonna do a bit more lesson planning because I am teaching like not 4 lessons this week. I'm teaching 6 lessons this week, and I want to get ahead. And then I'm doing like 9, I think I said earlier, like the other 3 weeks. So I want to try and get some of that sorted so I don't have to like spend too long in the evening sorting that out. Nothing else really to update you on. I think I said earlier in this vlog we booked a holiday. I'll probably like talk about that a bit later because this clip's already like the longest thing ever. But yeah, I just had quite a chill day so far, and I'm gonna do some work. So this is all of my cardboard that I'm recycling. It's quite a bit. You're right there in the background. I'm trying to purposely get you in now. Hi. Hi. So, can't get a bit cabin fever. We're just gonna go out for a little walk now because it's actually quite nice and warm in the sun. And as you can tell, I've been inside for too long now. I said it was sunny. It's in this little like pathway thing up to the lakes.
This path is creepy because one time we saw a snake here and now I'm like paranoid every time we walk down this path that I'm going to see more snakes.
So it's now actually nearly 5 o'clock, obviously back from our little walk, saw loads of birds, saw the black swans, which was cool, saw the pelican, which I don't think would have got picked up on the clip, but it was basically in the big lake on like this little platform things where it seems to chill out most of the time. I also made a very small amount of flapjacks when we got back, so just have those as like a little breakfast in the morning. Obviously, when else are you gonna have breakfast? And I just thought I would wrap up this vlog here. I think I've mentioned about 50 times I booked a holiday, so like the week before I go back to uni in July, we are flying up to Cairns for like 2 nights. It's actually staying in the same hostel we stayed in last time, and then we're getting the train to Townsville, which is like a 6-hour train, but I think it's going to be like a really scenic journey. It's like the train journeys through the day, and then we've got 5 nights there in this like bougie resort that we were gonna stay at when we were gonna come on holiday here back in like, I don't know, 2020, like, yeah. And then obviously we couldn't go because the world went mental. So we're going there and then just flying back to sunny coast, so it's quite good. We don't have to travel to Brisbane airport for either of the flights, which is always handy, and they're super cheap. And also flying with the new airline Bonza, which quite excited about. Normally we are Jetstar kind of people, but thought we would branch out. Just, yeah, gonna chill for the rest of the evening. I've been doing some more lesson planning about chemistry. Year 10 chemistry will be the death of me. So that's been fun. Just gonna, yeah, chill for the rest of the evening, and I will see you again in my next video, which will probably be a vlog from Brisbane because I'm going there next weekend.